where love grows and kindness blooms. Welcome to Miniverse. Hello everyone, I am Chandrina Singh Bhati. And I am Shrishti Singh. Our young generation celebrated National Pet Day with smiles and colors. They drew their favorite pet, shared cute stories and built a beautiful pet world. Not just fun, they also learned to love, care and be responsible pet friend. And then came a green wave of awareness with World Earth Day. From nature walks to earth places, every step showed love for our planet. Tiny hands created a big message through trumpet earth art. They learned to save water, plants, trees and protect nature. Because a small action today built a better tomorrow. So let's promise to care for animals and save our earth with all our heart. Miniverse and save, but the buzz of kindness continues everywhere.
Between the echoes of ancient heritage and the wonders of the endless sky, a story of creativity unfolded.
And we were right there to witness it. I am Harsh, a curious explorer of ideas.
And I am Dakshayani Rathod, a canvas of imagination, bringing you twin times on Zesty and Scoop.
On 18th April 2026, our enthusiastic learners celebrated World Heritage Day through an engaging poster making activity.
Here every stroke of color reflected the importance of preserving our cultural and natural treasures under the Global Learning Program and Experiential Learning.
Adding to the excitement, students also celebrated Cosmonautic Day by creating space-themed drawings exploring planets, rockets, and lives of astronauts.
They discovered the significance of space exploration while nurturing scientific thinking and creativity.
From roots of our heritage
To the heights of the universe, our Zestians didn't just learn, they explored, created, and soared beyond limits. See you soon!
Hello everyone, I am Vivashna Rathod.
And I am Nancy Doot and you are watching Senior Scoop, where ideas turn into inspiration.
Today we stepped into a world of imagination where we celebrate World Book and Copyright Day with creativity and expression.
Yes, on 18th April 2026, our talented students designed their very own mini book cover pages, thinking like authors and artists, bringing stories to life through colors and ideas.
As a part of Global Learning Program and project-based learning, this activity encouraged originality, imagination, and powerful presentation skills.
It wasn't just about art, it was about respecting creativity, understanding originality, and expressing ideas in a globally connected world.
And the energy, absolutely inspiring. Every cover told a story, every design reflected a unique thought.
So keep creating, keep imagining, and keep expressing.
Because our ideas have power to inspire the world.
Stay tuned only on Senior Scoop.
Hello everyone, this is Jatin.
And this is Greha.
From the golden sands that whispered tales of whalers to the blue city that painted the sky with pride that day, we celebrate this not a place but a legacy that lived in every heartbeat of Marwar.
Yes, on the grand occasion of Jodhpur Sthapna Divas, Visitor School, the true pride of Marwar, brought forth a beautiful opportunity for Zestians to connect with their roots through creativity and expression.
Under the Global Learning Program, imagination took center stage with creative canvas, drawing their colors narrative stories of heritage.
And with Majestic Marwar Club, essay writing words echoed the grandeur culture and timeless glory of our land.
On 24th April 2026, it was a day where creativity met culture and young minds became storytellers of history.
And adding a royal touch, our shining stars got the opportunity to present their creativity and their efforts.
And so, idea bloomed like a desert flower after rain.
Because when Zestians celebrated heritage, they didn't just remember the history, they created it.
See you soon.